Okay YouTubers, here we have my 1997 Suzuki GSF600S Bandit. 45,000 miles on the clock, still looking not too bad. Just come back from a trip in Europe, France and Spain, and during that trip it developed an oil leak. Very slight on the oil cooler, and this is the offending article. This baby sits up underneath here, as you all know, and the oil leak developed from this joint here where my little finger is. And after removing it, simple removal, bolts, removing the coupling, and after a little bit of oil drains out, not too much, turns it over and finds that this baby, this side, I don't know if you can just see that, but there's a split running right through that. There you go. And that is why. So for some reason that split open, allowing oil to leak out. I thought it was just a case of replacing the rubber O-ring which sits just in here where the two join together, but after doing that it didn't work, still pissing oil out. So after taking this radiator off, this cooler off, you can see the split there. So guys, if that's what you've got a problem of, it's probably something to do with that cooler splitting. And here's a new one ready to go on, and I'll do that. This is from China, £65 thereabouts, and get that on, and hopefully that'll do the trick. All right.